Hello and welcome back. In the next lectures, we will try to set up the lab environment so that you could practice the entire course for Microsoft Entra with respect to. In this lecture, we would discuss about what we are going to achieve or what we are going to trying to set up with the lab. So the first thing for us, we would either create a free trial license for Microsoft Azure, or we would go with the pay as you go Azure subscription. So ideally we need to have Azure subscription just in case if you are trying to manage the Azure resources. During the creation of Azure subscription, by default one of the Microsoft Entra tenant ID gets created. So once we have that tenant ID, you would be able to create multiple user accounts by using your tenant. So when you go for a new subscription, ideally the subscription will create a tenant as on Microsoft.com. So in this case, I use my Outlook email ID. So that's why it has automatically created with the Outlook with the respected ID as a primary domain or a tenant ID. You could actually create by using managed tenants, multiple tenants. And that can be assigned to your subscription. So ideally we would create a subscription, and then we would during this subscription automatically a tenant ID gets created here. And if you don't like this tenant ID or for some reason you have a different business and you need to manage additional resources within that tenant, you could create your own tenant by using managed tenants. So a tenant can consist of your user objects, groups, and computers, and your applications. All the permissions can be granted by using the accounts that you're going to create within this tenant. So in my case, for example, if I want to create a account called AZ admin, which we are going to create in the next demo, the same account. So by using this account, I can grant permissions for my subscription, or I could even grant my, as you can see here, the permissions are already assigned for a different user account, just in case if I want to use, or I could use by creating these user accounts to grant access for different resources. For example, I might have a virtual machine I want to grant an access, or maybe web application I wanted to grant an access, or I can have my Office 365 tenant can have the M365 license. All that can be performed by using your tenant. So tenant is a critical in this case, and normally we would be creating our own tenant by using this wizard, which would represent your company's naming. So that's what we are going to do it with the Azure subscription. And also we create, as I said, one of the account, and then we grant the permission for the global admin as well as the subscription owner permission we would be granting. And just in case, once we have the license assigned for the user accounts or we own the license, you should be even able to create workforce specific Entra tenants also. That's nothing but the additional tenants can be created to meet your business requirements. That being said, I'll be catching you in the next demos to continue with pay as you go or free trial license for Azure subscription.